Stop doing these 5 things with money. Ever bought something with a credit card and immediately regretted it? Or checked your bank account and wondered where all your money went? Well, Stickman did too, and today we're going to laugh, cry, and learn from his epic money fails. Welcome to Dollar Drama, the channel where we turn financial chaos into hilarious cartoons while teaching you how to survive your bank account. Today, we're going to reveal the 5 things you must stop doing with money if you want to stay out of debt, stop overspending, and actually grow your savings. Stickman is here to show you how it's done or not done depending on how much he messes up. Spending money you don't actually have. Stickman walks into a store, sees a shiny gadget, grabs it, and whips out a credit card glowing red with debt alarms. His eyes bulge, sweat drops flying, and every swipe sets off cartoon sirens. Americans spend billions on things they don't need. Don't be Stickman. Wait, budget, and maybe walk past that shiny gadget without your wallet screaming. Ignoring your bills until they become monsters. Stickman ignores a pile of envelopes in his mailbox. Fast forward, those envelopes transform into a giant paper monster waving overdue notices like swords. Credit card bills, utility bills, student loans, they gang up like a horror movie. Stickman fights them with a tiny pencil, bouncing harmlessly off. Dollar Drama says pay bills on time and avoid letting paper monsters take over your life. Making only minimum payments on your credit cards. Stickman looks at the statement, sees a tiny minimum due, shrugs, and drops a single coin in. Fast forward months later, the credit card has grown into a massive debt monster shadowing him everywhere. Paying only the minimum is like trying to empty an ocean with a teacup. Dollar Drama tip? Pay more than the minimum each month to keep the debt monster away. Impulse buying online. Stickman sits in pajamas, scrolling through deals. Buy now, limited time, shouts a pop-up. One click and an avalanche of packages lands on him like a cartoon pancake. Bills fly out of his pockets. Impulse buys are fun for 5 minutes, then regret and overdraft fees appear. Dollar Drama advice: pause, breathe, and maybe close that app before your living room becomes a box fort of debt. Ignoring your financial education. Stickman sits blindfolded, poking for coins in a huge pit labeled money knowledge. He bumps into a stick figure banker, a spinning calculator, and a flying finance dictionary. Ignoring learning about interest, budgeting, and saving is giving your money a free pass to escape. Dollar Drama says, educate yourself daily, even a little, and that pit of confusion becomes a safe vault. Imagine Stickman ordering 50 cups of coffee a month. Each cup is a money gremlin jumping out of his wallet. He cries, "Why is my bank account empty?" Coffee gremlins do a conga line, spilling latte art and bills. Stickman buys a trendy gadget and immediately regrets it, tiny credit card crying next to him. Dollar Drama teaches plan spending, know needs, and laugh at mistakes instead of crying. Create a budget. Stickman unrolls a giant budget scroll that traps him like a mummy labeled rent, food, savings, fun, bills. Save first, spend later. Stickman deposits coins into a little safe that grows arms and dances. Set spending limits. Invisible ropes labeled Limit Stop Stickman from grabbing too many things. Automate payments. Stickman presses buttons on a cartoon robot that zaps bills away. Track your progress. A giant chart grows behind Stickman showing savings rocket into the sky. Dollar Drama says, celebrate small wins. They keep you motivated. Stickman trips over dollar bills, slips on coins, lands in a pile of shredded credit cards, or sees his paycheck vanish into smoke with a sad face. Humor makes financial lessons stick. Stickman stands victorious, throwing old bills like confetti dancing with bouncing coins. Dollar Drama pops up, Remember, don't be a stickman lost in debt. Follow these tips, laugh at mistakes, and grow your money wisely. Like, comment, subscribe for more hilarious money lessons from Dollar Drama. Stickman rides a flying piggy bank into the sunset, coins trailing behind. Stop doing these 5 things with money. Spend smart, pay on time, learn about finances, laugh at mistakes, and watch your money grow. Stickman did it, so can you? Dollar Drama hopes this cartoon guide helps you turn financial chaos into fun lessons. Smash that like button, comment your funniest money fail, and subscribe to Dollar Drama for more animated financial wisdom. Every dollar counts, but every laugh counts even more. Stickman salutes you.